There is a new twist in the Johnny Depp Amber Heard defamation case. Heard lawyers are now calling for a retrial, claiming improper juror service. They argue one of the individuals originally meant to serve in the trial that had been replaced by someone else.
Amber Heard's legal team filing new documents in a Virginia court on Friday, arguing that the person known as Juror number 15 was not the person that was actually called to serve on jury duty. Heard's lawyers saying that the person could not have properly served on the jury at this trial, and their reasoning for those claims is that the jury panel list included a 77-year-old individual with a birth date in 1945. However, they say a 52-year-old individual who lives at the same address as the 77-year-old was the person who actually showed up and ultimately served on the jury. And because of this mistake that they're alleging, Heard's lawyers are saying her, quote, due process was therefore compromised, and under these circumstances, a mistrial should be declared and a new trial ordered. Now, the jurisdiction this motion was filed in, Fairfax County, Virginia, does have some safeguards in place to avoid something like this from happening. They require all county residents to log in with a 7-digit juror number, zip code, and birth date. But now there are questions about whether those safeguards were used or worked this time around to correctly verify the juror's identity. This new filing comes about a week after lawyers for Heard requested a judge to throw out a more than $10 million verdict awarded to her ex-husband, actor Johnny Depp, in a very public defamation trial. A jury found Heard defamed Depp and forced him to miss out on work opportunities following a Washington Post op-ed in which Heard alleged she was a victim of domestic abuse. Now, legal experts say this is not a clear-cut argument for Heard. She's going to have to prove a couple of things. Number one, that this wasn't just an honest mistake, and number two, that this juror in question was somehow unfair to her.